I'm not a big fan of losing money when trading. What I'd really wish for is an automated money-making process. Just imagine, you sit back, relax, and watch the money flow into your account. But is that possible? Having come a long way from financial struggle to $1 million account, I stopped believing in fairy tales. But what if I'm just too old-fashioned? These days, there's so much buzz about AI and how it could really replace even the most experienced humans in almost any field. So today I'm putting this theory to the test. Let's see if the best trading bot could beat me, an experienced trader, in making profit. Hi, Evelyn here. I've been in trading for over 8 years. I've had thousands of profitable trades over the years. My win rate is 88.9%. Now my mission is to share my experience and knowledge with other traders and help beginners. Join my free Telegram channel for live daily trading sessions. You'll get to see my trades as they happen in real time. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a private message on Telegram. So join it for free using the link in the description or pinned comment. Alright, let's get this trading battle started to find out who's the real trading whiz. Me, an experienced trader, or one of the best trading bots. We are going to start with a $50 investment and do 5 trades each. By the way, I've tried out a basic bot before and it didn't exactly blow me away. So I'm starting with small amounts today to avoid risks. After each trade, I'll bump up the investment by $50. Alright, all clear now. Let's tweak out trading platform settings and kick the session off. Setting up the platform is usually almost automatic for pros, but it's worth paying close attention to avoid missing any important details. So, we'll start with an initial investment of $50. The time frame we'll be working with is 1 minute, with candle time frame set at 30 seconds. I've selected the 5 best currency pairs based on the profit percentage. If you still have some questions for me, feel free to shoot me a private message on Telegram. All set now? Now it's time to kick off our experiment. First up, my trading session, and then we'll put the bot's capabilities to the test. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Euro and British Pound pair. First, I'm assessing the market situation. Okay, looks like there's been a reversal from recent lows, indicating an upward trend. So I'm going to invest in growth. Riding this uptrend could lead to potential profits. I'm hitting the higher button. Great job! The first deal brings us $96. Now, switching to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. As promised, I'm doubling the investment. Let's take a look at the chart. There is a clear channel movement forming at the price's peak level. Given the current scenario, I'm going for an upside investment to ride out this move within the market logic. Hitting higher. Yep, I was right again. The market's almost mimicking the previous pattern. Just a couple of days back, my Telegram subscribers and I delved into safe trading solutions during channel movements. It all started with a question from a channel member via private messages, leading to an in-depth analysis on the channel. So guys, if you've got an interesting topic to discuss, hit the link in the description and shoot me a private message on Telegram. Now let's move on to the next trade. The Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar pair. Oh wow, classic setup on the chart. After hitting a local high, there is a clear reversal in the downward trend. Given that, I'm going to invest in the fall. This move fits right in with what's happening in the market and should capitalize on further price declines. Investing for a fall. Brilliant! Classic setup plus the right call equals profit. And it's all thanks to good knowledge of technical analysis. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate me sharing my knowledge and experience for free. Alright, let's keep going. Now the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. The investment is already at $200. Prices have been on the rise for quite a while, about an hour now. In this situation, a beginner might end up losing money if they decide to follow this trend. But we've got to consider the current sideways movement in the market. So I'm going to invest for a decline, hitting the lower button. Amazing! That's a profit of $384. Excellent result. Now let's wrap up with the final trade with some independent analysis. Moving on to the fifth pair, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Let me take a closer look at the chart. Well, it's clear that the key here is the upward movement of the candles after prolonged bearish impulses. And that makes sense. This means that a bullish trend is about to start, pressing higher. Great! Today's short trading session boosted my deposit by $690. It's a good result, but I usually set myself more ambitious goals and get more profit. Before we get to the point of our experiment, I suggest changing trading pairs a bit. This will ensure we have similar profit percentages and keep things consistent. Oh, and I withdrew my $690, so the deposit is back to $3,000. Gotta keep things fair for unbased results. For the bot, we'll choose the following currency pairs: the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar and the US dollar. Alright, it's time to kick off our trading session with signals from the bot. Let's go! Opening the first pair, investing $50. Wow, the bot suggests betting on a decline. Let's give it a shot. Clicking lower. Looks like the bot has recognized that the maximum price for this period has already been reached and logically anticipates a reversal in the downward trend. Wow! Not a bad start for the bot. It might actually be capable of providing accurate signals. Let's open the second pair for the bot, the Australian and the US dollars. Here the investment is going to be $100. The bot once again recommends trading down. Well, let's trust its recommendations and invest for the fall. The bot is confident that the downward is continuing. Risky. But let's see. Whoa, okay, it was right. That's exactly what happened. But I wouldn't say it was a very informed decision. It was very close to a mistake. On my Telegram channel, I often say that it's very risky to enter trades at the final stages of trends. But the bot made a profit after all, and that's what it all is about. So let's continue. Now onto the New Zealand and Australian dollar pair. The bot suggests another short trade. Clicking the lower button. Seems like the bot caught onto the trend reversal after hitting an all-time high, and it's riding the wave of change. That's some smart tech analysis. I gotta give it to this bot. The bot nailed it again. This is getting interesting. We've pocketed $276, but whether this bot is actually effective, we're still to find out. Let's get to the fourth pair with a $200 investment. The bot's calling for a downtrend. Clicking lower. Looks like the bot expects the downtrend to keep going. I always stress the importance of paying attention to candle lengths. Bulls are about to hold the trend, but the bot was too quick on the draw. Now I wouldn't have done that. And damn it, I was right. The bot lost $200. Not sure if I should be happy. I mean, I'm winning at this point, but the bot lost my cash. Bummer. But whether, let's keep emotions in check and keep going. Let's hope it can redeem itself. Alright, trade number 5. Last one from the bot on the Australian-Canadian pair. The bot's predicting an upward move. Okay, clicking higher. The bot's either taking risks again or just not grasping the situation. After a bit of market consolidation, a strong downward swing should follow. Yup, exactly what I said. So I coming? Bot has lost my money again. Honestly, this is all so disappointing. All this buzz about trading bots and they end up losing money. Out of 5 trades, 2 flopped and 1 was very risky. So what's the point? To sum it up, the bot lost $174 in 5 trades, while I made $690. Bottom line, I wouldn't touch this bot with a 10-foot pole. In fact, I'd strongly advise against it. That's it, no link in the description. So we've established that trading with a bot could simply be like throwing money away. But I've got a safe and straightforward alternative for you. It's trading with a real, experienced trader like myself. As I said earlier, I regularly host open trading sessions on my Telegram channel. Everyone can watch me trade, copy my trades, and achieve similar results. And you've seen my results. Not too bad, right? If you haven't subscribed yet, the link is in the description and in the first pinned comment under the video. Now, if you've got any questions, whether it's about setting up the platform or choosing indicators, feel free to shoot me a private message. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, that's it for today. Singing off with love and kisses. See you in my next video. Bye!